Let me show you how to generate such neon text effect, with the help of text image and neon light reference image in Adobe Firefly. Create document of 1080 by 1080 pixels. Select Type tool. Left click to insert. Select Center Text. I am using Freestyle Script regular font. You can easily download it from browser. Type the text as you wish. Press Ctrl+T to free transform. Place it on the center. Then hold Alt key and drag outside to equally resize the text. Now we will save this. Press Windows plus Shift plus S. Select the text portion. Click on Save option. Then select File Location. Name the file. And save it in JPG format. Now we will move on towards Adobe Firefly screen. Type the prompt here. You can copy the prompt from description. Click on Generate. These are some results. Select the image with better results. Go to Edit, select Use as Style Reference. Follow the process. In Composition Reference, upload text image which we created in Photoshop. Increase the strength. From Style, set Visual Intensity and Strength. From Effects, select Hyper Realistic Theme. Click on Generate. These are some results. We'll try one more time by decreasing the strength and visual intensity of style reference. And results are here. That's it for today. If you like my content, subscribe to my channel and let me know in comments. Also, don't forget to check out my other Firefly related videos. Thank you.